Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Australia. Robert, in your online video course, you show using a file and mention that it has a safe edge. What is a safe edge? Nick in Australia. Well, Nick, a safe edge on a file is just a file that has a smooth edge on one side. And I use this a lot when I make my classical guitar bridges, for example, up against the side of the tie block, next to the wing, when I'm filing the bone flush with the side of the tie block. That way you don't mark up the wing with the tool marks. And there's a lot of other uses for it. Now, you can buy a file with a safe edge already on it. They'll charge you a lot of money for it, obviously. Or you can just make your own. Let me show you how to do it. So, Nick, one way to make your own safe edge file is to just run it against the side of a disc sander, right like so, until you get that side smooth. Word of caution, don't turn on your dust collection system. You don't want to suck all those hot metal shavings into your dust bin. Technical term for that is bad. With a few minutes of work, you now have a nice, clean, smooth edge on the side of your file. So, Nick in Australia, now you know how to make your own safe edge file, and there are many uses for it in luthiery and woodworking in general. Happy building.